When was the last time you thought about your hormones? Let's change that today. Superfoods may be just the thing we need to balance them out. Hi, I'm Drew Canole here to talk about a surprising topic, hormones. That means as we age, proper hormonal balance is extremely important. It affects our weight, our happiness, even our intelligence, and our personality. There are some hormone-scrambling foods which you'll want to hear about today. Number one, high sugar foods. Think about sugar's effect on insulin. Insulin is a very powerful hormone. It's related to all other hormones we have. It has a huge effect on estrogen and testosterone as well. While none of this may come to a surprise, sugar has a way of hiding in many places that we are just unaware of. Next up, preservatives. Right now, we know that preservatives can actually act as endocrine disruptors. The endocrine system, as you may remember from science class, is your hormone system. Preservatives can actually imitate and compete with some of the natural hormones. This can lead to weight gain, disrupted thyroid function, and even lessened sperm count in men. Here's another dirty little truth. The FDA doesn't require food packages to disclose the presence of certain preservatives. And then there's soy. All right, throw me back to soy. A little bit of sugar in here. If you've ever thought about trying to eat healthier, no doubt you've already heard a lot about soy. It's a highly controversial food source at the moment because there's evidence that soy may act as an endocrine disruptor. You little endocrine disruptor. Look, here's the deal. I make sure my diet has high amounts of adaptogens. Adaptogens work with your body, not against it. Many of these adaptogens evolved in very harsh climates. Some scientists believe that's why they have such a resilient effect on our human hormones. Two of my favorite adaptogens right here, right now. Number one is Reishi. Reishi, you've heard me talk about this. Get it, heard? You heard me talk about this. Reishi has strong effects to help with health issues like hypertension and even fatigue. It can assist the body in expelling harmful artificial hormones by empowering the liver. It is an amazing fungus, my friend. I love you, Reishi. And then we got turkey tail. Turkey tail is the endocrine system's best friend. Dangers are hidden all over the place, even in sunscreen, deodorants, cosmetics, plastic water bottles. The compounds in turkey tail mushroom help break those down for easy and swift disposal. It's like a big sign of relief for your natural hormones. Do you have a favorite superfood for your hormones? Let us know in the comments below and how you found it and what your experiences were. Let us also know if you have any questions as well. I read through all the comments and I love responding to everyone. I'm Drew Canole. Thanks so much for watching today, and remember, we're in this together.